Is your YouTube TV stuck in buffering purgatory, leaving you stranded without your favorite shows? Let's get you back to binge watching in under 2 minutes. First things first, let's tackle the most common culprit: your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Try running a speed test on your phone or computer to ensure you're getting the speeds you're paying for if your speeds are low. Try restarting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Next up, the classic restart. Just like your computer, your streaming device or smart TV sometimes needs a fresh start. Completely power down your device. Wait for about a minute and then turn it back on. This simple step can resolve many temporary glitches. If a restart doesn't do the trick, it's time to clear the app cache. The steps vary a bit depending on your device, but generally, you'll find the YouTube TV app in your device's settings. Under Applications or Apps, tap on YouTube TV, then select Clear Cache on some devices. You may also need to clear data. Now relaunch YouTube TV and see if these steps have resolved the loading issue. If you're still experiencing problems after trying these steps, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube TV app. This will ensure you have the latest version and can often resolve deeper software issues. Finally, check to see if there are any widespread YouTube TV outages reported online.